Some succulents survive in low light so well that it's almost suspicious. How do they stay green, glossy, and healthy without sunlight? Today we're exposing the 8 shade-loving succulents that thrive where others fail, and the little secrets they don't want you to know. Snake plant quietly makes itself at home in the darkest corners of your room, almost like it's watching and waiting. Its upright, sword-like leaves barely flinch even when it gets no direct sunlight at all. The strangest part? It grows cleaner air for you while sitting there silently, as if it's up to something good, but you're never fully sure. ZZ plant sits in low light with a glossy shine that looks almost too perfect. You can forget to water it, ignore it for weeks, and it will still greet you with fresh new shoots. It's the kind of plant that thrives in conditions others would fail in, making you wonder how it survives with such little effort from you. Haworthia looks like a tiny aloe imposter hidden on your shelf, quietly blending in. Its rosettes stay compact and firm, even in dim corners, almost like it's conserving energy for something. It grows slowly, deliberately, as if it knows exactly how much light it needs, and nothing more. Gasteria keeps its thick, waxy leaves patterned with strange markings that stand out even in low light. It never stretches or complains. It simply adjusts and holds its shape. There's something oddly calm about how it thrives in the shadows, like it prefers being unnoticed. Ponytail Palm stands tall with its bulb-like base, storing water like it's preparing for a long mission. Its arching leaves handle low light with ease, swaying gently as if they're hiding the fact that this isn't really a palm. It brings a tropical vibe even to the gloomiest corners. Aloe Vera tolerates shade, but not without consequences. You can almost see it stretching toward the nearest ray of light. It looks calm, but keep it away from sunlight for too long and it silently becomes tall and leggy. It's one of those plants that looks fine until it suddenly doesn't. Euphorbia grows surprisingly well in dim light, whether it's the crown of thorns or the African milk tree. They stay upright and sturdy, almost too good at adapting. But just when you think they don't need sunlight at all, they remind you with a slow lean or a pale leaf that they still crave a bit of sun now and then. Christmas cactus rewards darkness with bursts of flowers, but only if you follow its rules. Keep it in a dim room for long enough, and suddenly it blooms as if it's been planning the surprise for months. It feels like a plant with a secret schedule that only it understands. If these shade-loving succulents surprised you, just wait, there's more coming. Make sure you subscribe and like so you never miss the hidden side of your favorite plants.